What is a relay and how does it works? A relay is an electrically operated switch. It consists of a set of input terminals for a single or multiple signals. The relay may have any number of contacts in multiple contact forms, such as make contacts, break contacts, or combinations of both. Relays are generally used to switch smaller currents in a control circuit and do not usually control power-consuming devices except for small motors and solenoids that draw low amperes. Parts of relay. Relay consists of a coil which can be of any voltage AC or DC, movable armature and a spring to keep armature in back position when coil is demagnetized. Contacts which can be normally open or close or combination of both. How does relay works? The diagram shows an intersection diagram of a relay. An iron core is surrounded by a control coil. As shown, the power source is given to the electromagnet through a control switch and through contacts to the load. When current starts flowing through the control coil, the electromagnet starts energizing and thus intensifies the magnetic field. Thus the upper contact arm starts to be attracted to the lower fixed arm and thus closes the contacts, causing a short circuit for the power to the load. As soon as the coil current is off, the movable armature will be returned by spring tension force back to its initial position, and it will open the contacts and current stops flowing through the load circuit. Types of relays. Relays can be used to control several signals at once. Can be multiple set of contacts when coil is energized. There are 4 types of relays, depending upon the number of contacts and their operations. Single pole, single throw. These have 2 terminals which can be normally open or close. Double pole, single throw. These relays are equivalent to a pair of SPST switches, including 2 for the coil. Such a relay has a total of 6 terminals. Single pole, double throw. These relays have 3 terminals. Normally open, normal close and a common terminal. Double pole, double throw. These relays have 2 sets of contacts. These are equivalent to 2 SPDT switches or relays actuated by a single coil. Such a relay has 8 terminals including the coil. Application of relays. The relays are used to operate solenoids, coils for valves, actuators, or contractors, which can be used to operate heavy amperage devices like heaters and motors. Secondly, they are used to isolate control circuits or programmable logic controls from high-voltage devices by isolating control and power circuits or devices. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe for tutorials.